Hello and welcome back to my channel Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan, and today, we'll be discussing an important subject, adoption laws in India. Adoption is a beautiful process that allows children to find a loving home, and the laws around it ensure that this process is both fair and secure for all parties involved. So, let's dive right in. Adoption laws in India are governed by different legal frameworks depending on the religion of the adoptive parents. Let's take a closer look. 1. Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, 1956, HAMA. This law applies to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs. Under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, adoption can only be done by someone who is legally competent, meaning the adopter must be at least 25 years old, with a significant age difference of 21 years or more between the child and the adopter. The child being adopted must be under the age of 15. This law ensures that the adopted child has the same legal status as a biological child, including inheritance rights. 2. Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children, Act, 2015. This is a comprehensive law that governs adoption for all children, irrespective of the religion of the adoptive parents. It provides a framework for the protection of children, their care, and rehabilitation, including adoption. The Juvenile Justice Act ensures that adoption is conducted in a manner that serves the best interests of the child. Adoption must follow a legal procedure to ensure the welfare of the child is prioritized. Let's understand how this process works. First, eligibility of the adoptive parent. Single individuals or married couples can adopt children. For married couples, both spouses must jointly adopt the child. In the case of a single person, the adopter must be at least 25 years old, with a minimum age difference of 21 years between the adopter and the child. Health, income, and age are crucial factors in determining eligibility. This ensures the adoptive parents are in a position to provide proper care. Adoption starts with the registration of the prospective adoptive parents, PAPs, with the Central Adoption Resource Authority, CARA, or an authorized adoption agency. The prospective adoptive parents fill out an application form and undergo a home study process, which evaluates their living conditions, mental health, emotional stability, and overall suitability. A detailed assessment ensures that the family environment is safe and nurturing for the child. Once the registration is complete, the next step is matching the child with the adoptive family. The matching process is done carefully, keeping both the child's needs and the adoptive family's capacity to meet those needs in mind. The prospective parents are provided with profiles of available children, and once they agree to the match, the child is placed in their care. Once the child is placed with the family, the adoption must be formalized in court. This step is crucial to ensure the adoption is legally binding and irrevocable. The court reviews the entire adoption process, verifies the home study report, and ensures that all legal procedures have been followed properly. Now that we've discussed the adoption process, let's talk about the rights of adopted children under Indian law. First right is legal status as a biological child. Once the adoption is finalized, the child is legally considered to be the biological child of the adoptive parents. This means the child enjoys all the rights that a biological child would have, including inheritance rights. The child's relationship with their biological family is legally severed, and they are given a new identity, reflecting their adoptive family. Second right is inheritance and property rights. An adopted child has inheritance rights to the property of the adoptive parents. They are entitled to a share in their adoptive parents' property, just like a biological child. The adoptive parents are responsible for the child's welfare, education, and future. Now we will discuss about the protection of interest of a child. Adoption laws ensure that the child's welfare is a top priority. The adoption process includes checks and balances to prevent exploitation and ensure that the child is placed in a family where they can thrive and grow. In cases where a child is adopted by foreign nationals, the process is more detailed and stringent. The Central Adoption Resource Authority, CARA, oversees intercountry adoptions. The process must comply with the Hague Convention on Intercountry Adoption, a treaty India signed to protect children from trafficking and ensure ethical adoptions. The prospective adoptive parents, PAPs, must submit an application to CARA or an authorized agency, undergo the home study process, and be matched with a child. Once matched, the legalities are completed both in India and the foreign country, and the adoption is finalized in the respective country's court. In conclusion, adoption laws in India are carefully designed to ensure the welfare and best interests of children. They protect the rights of both adoptive parents and children, offering a stable and secure environment for children who need a family. If you are considering adoption, understanding the legal framework is key to navigating the process smoothly. Friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Legal Information, Law Insights for more legal insights. If you have any questions or would like me to cover specific topics related to civil law or any other area of law, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again in the next video soon.